Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create glow cinematic video editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Capcut and then you're going to create new project. And then I'm going to choose this video. I'm going to create glow cinematic video editing using this video. Okay, and I'm going to apply effect to this video. So I'm going to go to the effect menu and then select the video effect, and then you can search for glow effect, and there will be some effects for you guys, and then you can choose luminance. Okay, and now the effect has been applied to my video, and then I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, now it's done, and then we're going to go to the adjustment, tap on your video, and then you're going to adjust your video. Tap on adjust, and then I'm going to adjust the brightness. I'm going to increase the brightness like this around 12, and then the contrast, increase it a little bit. Okay, and then the saturation, I'm going to increase it, and the sharpen in HSL, I'm just going to increase it a little bit. For the saturation, oops, it's too much. Okay, saturation, and for the lightness, okay, and then I'm going to make it dark. Wait, let me go back to the brightness. I think it's too much, so I'm going to reduce it. Okay, just around 9. Okay, and actually it depends on your video guys. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And then I'm going to add audio to this project. I'm going to choose chill and dreamy, and then I'm going to select, wait, let me try this one. Okay, I'm going to add this audio to my project, and sorry, I cannot play the audio louder because I'm afraid of the copyright. And then I'm going to apply velocity effect. So I'm going to click on my video, select effect, select style, and then go to the velocity, and I'm going to choose flash velocity. Okay, and the velocity will be automatically created according to the audio beat. Okay, and it's almost done. Okay guys, the velocity has been applied, and I'm going to adjust it. Click on adjust, and then I'm going to reduce the beat frequency. Okay, and then for the strength, I'm going to reduce it as well. Alright, and then I'm going to go back and check the result. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, that's so cool, but wait, let me apply the velocity again because sometimes it's error. Okay, and this is the result guys. And again, you can keep adjusting if you're still not satisfied. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create glow cinematic video editing using Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.